40 years ago, we started with a single purpose: to transform technology into solutions that make people's lives safer, more comfortable, and more efficient. Over the years, we have more than just stories to tell. We have accumulated achievements that reflect our dedication, with goals that drive us toward progress. We manufacture digital instruments to control temperature, humidity, time, pressure, and voltage, with passion and technical precision in every detail. Innovation, reliability, and credibility are in our DNA, supported by a highly qualified team, an impeccable structure, and our own production line for nearly 200 different models. Our technology crosses oceans and contributes to growth on a global scale. That is why we maintain a strategic production stock, ensuring fast deliveries worldwide. Each item we deliver is crafted with care by people who believe in what they do. That is why we offer a 10-year worldwide warranty. We envision the future by training professionals around the world, sharing the knowledge we have gained so far. We are only at the beginning of our journey. That is why we continue to expand our factories, production, technology, and market presence without ever compromising our commitment to sustainability. Our history is made of people, challenges, and moments we have shared together for 40 years, with technology, safety, and above all, with you. Full gauge controls, transforming ideas into confidence and trust.